Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone swipe up not working issue after 17.5 update. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about after updating to 17.5 they are facing an issue of swipe up, that their swipe up is not working properly and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video, I will tell you how to fix iPhone swipe up not working issue after 17.5 update. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. First of all, I will tell you a simple solution to restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve minor software glitches. To restart your iPhone, you have to open the settings, then tap on the general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to simply clean the screen. Dirt, dust, debris or moisture on your screen can sometimes interfere with touch screen responsiveness. Use a soft length-free cloth to gently clean the screen and see if that resolves the issue. After this, then you have to do is simply adjust touch sensitivity. If you are using a screen protector or a third-party case, it's possible that it may be interfering with the touch screen's sensitivity. Try removing any screen protectors or cases and see if the swipe up gesture works properly without them. After this, then you have to do is simply enable the assistive touch as a temporary workaround. If the swipe up gesture still isn't working, you can enable assistive touch as a temporary workaround. To enable it, you have to open the settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and then go to accessibility. After this, then simply tap on touch. Now tap on assistive touch and you have to do is simply enable it. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue and still your swipe up gesture is not working properly, then I would suggest you to do reset all settings on your iPhone. You can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. But keep in mind that this will reset all settings on your iPhone but it won't delete your data. To do this, you have to simply open the general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings into your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix swipe up gesture not working issue. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.